Alright, hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So, quick video for you guys today. I am going to show you how I take my crochet out properly. I have cut my hair off three times. I've cut my hair off 3 times with taking crochet out. I've cut out a braid in the back. Chopped the whole braid off, just a whole cornrow, just chopped it off. I've cut off this whole side of my, like the front of my hair, so I only have like 2 inches of hair left. It's crazy. And then I've also cut off a side, like a piece of chunk of hair, about 5 inches of hair on this side as well. So I have made my mistakes when it comes to taking crochet out properly. And there's a reason why I do my braid pattern the way that I do it. If you don't know my braid pattern, what I pretty much do in all of my crochet is over here. Maybe I'll put it over here, something like that. But the reason why I always connect one big braid at the back is from chopping my hair off. I have done it. This is the easiest thing to control that. And so that's what I do now. Okay, so first things first, you want to find your single braid. So find your hair. So typically you would have crocheted that braid like somewhere up in here, which is what I do. So when I'm crocheting my hair, I go ahead and take my long braid, you know, my actual hair, and I pull it up and I crochet it down, mixed in with the hair. So I go and find that, which I already know where it is because mine has come out. And so, where are you, little guy? I did pin it up the other day, but I know you're in here somewhere. Oh, there you are. Okay. So I go find my braid and I take some like crochet hair around it, just a little bit. This is just what I do. So my braid here, and then some crochet hair, and then I put a ponytail on it, around it, like a little bun. If you do have leave out, you want to braid your hair. So whether you start over here and flat twist all the way here, or whether you start in the middle and do 2 flat twists going down, you want to braid it and get it out the way, the same thing that I did in the back. If you do not do that, I guarantee you will end up cutting your hair. The reason why I say do a flat twist instead of just taking it and kind of just pinning it all together, or taking, you know, your little leave out and doing just like a little twist, is because that's how I cut off this side of my hair. I thought I was, you know, taking my crochet out the right way, and I ended up with that braid because it was a braid in the front of my hair, and when I went to cut, that braid got mixed in like with this hair and I cut it off. So you want to just braid your hair down. It's not that hard. Okay, so after you've gotten all of your crochet hair out the way, I could have definitely left this hair in so much longer than I'm going to, but the show must go on. I got tutorials to make, y'all. So, oh, there's a piece of hair. So you want to go little by little and cut as close to the base as you feel comfortable. So if you don't feel comfortable to cutting out here, then that's fine. If you want to cut up here, then that's fine. I wouldn't recommend like starting here because that's going to take you forever, because you're really just getting the knots out. So we're looking to see if there's any hair, anything, and then we're just going to cut. And you'll start looking like this. You'll start looking crazy. And after that, for the purpose of this video, you are just going to start removing the hairs, and they come out very, very easily. So, what time is it? It is 10:10. So let's see how fast I can remove this crochet, starting now. to do. You can definitely successfully take your hair down in less than 20 minutes. It took me all of like 15 minutes to do, so I'm good to go. From here, I'm gonna leave my braids in probably for another 3 weeks. It's gonna be a while before I take these braids out, but from here you can always, you know, wash your hair, do a co-wash, deep condition, whatever you need to do with your hair in these braids to keep up that healthy hair journey that you are on, and to just keep your hair cleansed and all that great stuff while in a protective style. And also from here, you can either apply your wigs or do another crochet style. You don't have to redo your braids. So if you have someone available to help you, I do highly recommend finding someone to help you at first, and then as you get more comfortable with it, you can definitely do it on your own. Just remember to braid down your hair. Do not just tuck it away or put it away, because you're going to end up like me with, you know, having to grow back hair, but it's all good. It grows back, hopefully. But yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. I hope this video was helpful. Very quick, very simple, very easy. But nonetheless, I hope it was helpful for you. And this is the method that I use all the time with taking my hair out. And that's it. Yeah, so if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, please. I would definitely appreciate it. And don't forget to hit that subscribe. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Too much coffee this morning. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at jmarie. And that's it. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.